I would just invite everyone to sit back and think about, what if you didn't have a vehicle? Do you really realize how difficult that would be to lead a normal life? I think a lot of us take those for granted. In fact, I know most of us take a vehicle for granted. And it's kind of one of those catch-22s. You know, you have to have a job to get a car, but you have to have a car to get a job as well in most cases. And sometimes people just need just that little help to get them going and put them on the right track. When we rehab a vehicle, no two vehicles are ever going to be the exact same. No two cars are going to come in the exact same condition. They're always going to have different things that need to be done to them. Sometimes that's going to be cosmetically, sometimes that's going to be mechanically, sometimes there's going to be things that are safety related that we need to make sure the car has completely redone before, you know, we're going to give it to an individual. It was donated to us by a couple here locally. We took the vehicle in, did a mechanical and safety evaluation. It needed a few things, tires, brakes, a new timing belt. We then sent it to our collision center because it had a little surface rust on the rocker panels, and we repaired that. That's a prime example of the type of vehicles we're looking for. Obviously, we would love to have donated vehicles that don't need a lot, but that's what Marion Toyot's role is. What's important to us when looking for an individual with this specific need is somebody that we can make an impact in their life right away. Different things happen to great people, and they just need something to kind of get them over the curb, if you will, to be able to get things turned around. And a vehicle is such an essential need that we just felt like that really was something where we can help. That's what we do. We're going to take those funds and be able to rehabilitate, again, vehicles that might need a little bit more work than we were anticipating, and bring them up to the condition that, you know, we want them to be in before we would consider giving those to an individual for $1.